The aim of the Body Clean Workshop program was to inculcate in our next generation knowledge to maintain a clean environment. It's also to equip children with communication and listening skills and to encourage empathy for cleaners.
The Body Clean Workshop program will help us to cultivate a cleanliness mindset, and ultimately what we really want is to embed a culture of respect for our shared spaces.
So the key components of the workshop, I would say it's separated into 3 parts. The first part is more of getting them to understand why we need to keep Singapore clean first. And then the second part of the workshop is more of the theory part of how to do it before they move on to the practical aspect of cleaning the whole school.
They showed us lights, but how Singapore used to look like. I was quite shocked when I saw those photos, how dirty the Singapore River was and how they shoot trash into the river.
I really want to clean after I looked at all those pictures. I feel disgusted, the river was so dirty, filled with garbage, and I didn't want that to happen to our classroom.
The other thing that we want to imbue in them is that sense of empathy, for them to understand that our cleaners are as much a part of the school's family as everybody else, as the teachers, as themselves.
There are so many people in the school and only 8 or 9 cleaners. I don't think 8 or 9 cleaners can clean up more than 1,000 compliance. Our school is so big, it would be a very hard job for the cleaners to clean up after us. Everybody should work together because we don't want a dirty classroom to study. We want a clean, nice learning place. You can't possibly wait forever for the cleaners to come and clean for you. You see a litter, you can pick it up, then pick it up and throw.
这个 program 对他们是很好啦，那是对他们长大有帮助了。他们回去也可以帮他的父母嘛，对不对？他们要学习是好。
校工都是年龄很大的了所以学生可以帮忙的话，他们就比较轻松。然后学生长大之后呢，他们就会做一个有责任感的好公民。
When we see the students internalizing the messages that we have shared with them, this is something that tells us that we have succeeded.
I think as an educator, that is why we teach. Top of all the academic subjects that we can teach, the important things that we can impart to them are these skills, these soft skills about helping each other, about heart for each other.